What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is our second video ever, and today we're going to be picking up some parts for my BMW. I'm going to be doing some maintenance on it, so we need to get some engine oil and also an oil filter, and other than that I pretty much have everything else already. Today we're gonna go pick that up from a BMW dealership. I was gonna just get something like from AutoZone or O'Reilly, but I decided to go with BMW Original just because it's my first time doing this. I'm already a little bit nervous about doing it myself. As you can see by my channel name, I am the car noob, and everything I do here is going to be me doing it for the first time. So I hope to learn a lot with this, and I hope that you guys get to learn a lot with this, and I hope that you help me learn a lot from this. So, without further ado, we're going to get going.
A few moments later.
Alright, and we're back in the car. Here to get a car wash.
Please insert your credit card that shows.
$330
Take your receipt.
left. Thank you.
The wash is available.
Sure is.
Enter one.
There's in. Let's go. Alright guys, so we're done with the car wash. Now the car looks nice and pretty. The weather out here today is not so beautiful, but it is what it is. It's kind of cloudy, gloomy, overcast. Not your typical Colorado weather, but it is what it is. So we're gonna pick up some engine oil from the BMW dealership. I called them up, I asked if this is something that they're doing. He said, yep, just come on down, we're here. You can get all your stuff that you need. So yeah, I was going to just get some oil from like AutoZone or something, look up like what's good, what's not good, but it's my very first time doing something like this, so the BMW oil was not any more expensive, the filter was not any more expensive than the some third party, so I decided to just go with that. I think I might stop somewhere and get some brake fluid and brake cleaner, because I do plan to get my brakes replaced here soon. They did just arrive today. I'm pretty excited about those. My brakes have not been the best pretty much since I've bought the car, but I don't know, I just kind of like went with it. You know, I look up in the car, on the car, and it doesn't really say that they need replaced right now, but I do feel some vibration here and there whenever lightly braking, so it might be that my rotors are slightly warped or slightly bent. But yeah, so I have some new performance brake pads and rotors that I found on eBay. I'm sure they're not, you know, top of the line or anything like that, but I like how they looked. So yeah, and I would like to try to get that replaced myself as well. I really want to paint my calipers, but I haven't really decided on the best way to do that. It might be that I decide to wrap them, it might be that I decide to spray paint them. I'm not really sure. I don't have a garage. I don't really want to spray inside. I don't really want to spray in my parking lot either. So, you know, wrapping might be the best way for me to do that, but like I said, I don't know. I haven't really decided. I've never really wrapped anything in my life. I don't even know how to wrap presents very well. My wife always makes fun of me, so I'm gonna probably wrap my headlights and taillights. I think I'm gonna start with the taillights first. I think it's a flatter surface and easier for me to start with, and then we'll see how it goes. I don't know what's going on over here. There are people everywhere just lined up waiting for something, but I'm not sure what they're waiting for. Yeah, they're all just kind of like sitting at the side of the highway waiting. Is Doomsday coming? This lady is legit standing here and eating. What is happening? Alrighty, so here it is. say? Just Beamer after Beamer. It's great. I'm just gonna kind of drive around. So many cars. I didn't realize how big this dealership really is. Wow. X4, the M340i, had that car for a loaner once. That was great. I liked it a lot. I still preferred my F30 335, but it wasn't bad. M235 over there. It's nice rims. So I'll park it right over here next to these guys. Make sure we park straight. There we go. All right, guys, I'm gonna go talk to them and then I'll be right back. And just like that, we're back. We have some motor oil from BMW, 0W30 twin power turbo. Got 7 of those. We need 6.5 quarts and we got 7 quarts. So yeah, we'll have a little bit extra, so next time maybe we'll be able to just buy 6. Also got BMW oil filter, comes with the gasket, and yeah, all of that was $108, not counting obviously installation, because there is no installation. I will be doing it. I don't think I'm going to be doing that today. I'll probably save that for another video when I'll do my first oil change. Man, I really like that 8 Series, looks so good. Jeez. Now that there's an M8 Grand Coupe, oh my god, I would love that. Right now I think that would be probably the best car that I would want to buy. I'm not really after any supercars or anything crazy like that, but yeah, an M8 Grand Coupe competition is where it is at. Look at that 4 Series though. It's not an M4 though, it's just a 4 Series. It's nice. Oh, that's the car jack. For a global pandemic, there's definitely a lot of cars on the road. Couldn't merge into our lane that we had to merge into. Yeah. Well, since we had the detour, I might as well just drive around for a little bit. Looks like there's Denver right there. We're actually gonna have to probably go through downtown to even get home. So the trunk is definitely not the place to put the car jack, so I should have left it at home and then went and got it when I arrived. But it's okay, it's fine, it'll be alright. And just like that, guys, we're back home. I went ahead and unboxed my new rotors and brake pads. As you can see, the rotors are right there. I didn't actually go ahead and open them just yet. The brake pads, however, I did receive them. It appears that one is ceramic brake pads, and then there are 2 sets of semi-metallic. I ordered ceramic brake pads, so these are kind of incorrect. I went ahead and reached out to R1 Concepts, who is the manufacturer of this product. So we will see what we'll be able to do. That's all I had for this video, guys. We're gonna go ahead and get started working on the car very soon. Not today though. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.